Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Ahmed again, A to Z Auto Masters. Today we got this 2009 Volkswagen Passat with a 2.0 turbo. We're doing a few things in this car. I'm gonna have them in separate videos so you don't have to watch the whole video if you're looking for something specific. We'll be doing a passenger side axle. I will also be doing a blower motor and a resistor. And also I'll be doing a starter motor in this car. So I'll have them in 3 separate videos. If you're looking for something specific, you can just search up the video so you don't have to watch all 3 videos at once. And please don't forget, if you like this video, if you learned anything new from this video or it was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And you can leave us in the comments below any questions you might have about this car or something else, and I'll be happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by taking this intake out. Open this. Take the filter out. And this housing is actually locked in by rubber washers, 3 of them, like rubber grommets, 3 rubber grommets. So all you have to do is really pull up and it should come out, but take your time, don't pull on it so fast and break the ears. Just like that. Clear it from here. And you have this little hose. Just take out and just turn and pull completely out. And now we can just disconnect the battery terminal since we're going to be working on an electric component. Make sure it doesn't touch again while you're working. The starter motor is just right here. Okay, so we basically just need to clear around here to have access to that starter motor. I will take this completely out. It's 2 T25 bolts. Comes out. Okay, we have this boot here. Just gonna pull this boot back. You unplug the signal wire. Unplug it. Okay, so I have this unplugged. Now we can take the main power line. Okay, now we have both wires out. Now we get to the bolts. Okay, so we got this the new starter motor right here, Bosch, made in Germany, original stuff. And as you can see, it goes in straight like that. So we have 1 bolt here, we have 1 bolt there. Okay guys, so we're under the car now. I just want to have a better access to the bottom bolt from here. Okay guys, so right here, that bolt right here, it holds the bracket. You're gonna take this one out, and then this nut holds in the bracket. You're gonna take it out, and there's another nut underneath it with a bolt that holds the starter. So you're gonna take them both out. If that transmission plug, this or that in your way, just unplug them. But the bolt is hitting that plug, so I'm just gonna take this plug out so I can pull the bolt out with no issues. As you can see, it's a very long bolt. Okay, so we lowered the car now, and we need to take this last bolt. And now the new starter goes in the exact reverse order, just like that. Right there is actually in place, and then you can throw this bolt back in. We're gonna go back up, put the bottom bolt, and then go over both bolts again, make sure they're fully tight. Okay, so we're just gonna get this bracket, move it out of the way again. Okay, so this bolt is tight. Now just make sure with the hand ratchet that it's fully tight. Put the bracket back. And now you can plug this transmission back. Okay, so we're just gonna go over this bolt one more time. Okay. Now, go back and put this on. Be careful, keep an eye on this little nipple here. They're very fragile and they break. So when you move in this hose, take it very easy with them. And now the signal cable plug. It's plugged in and secure. And now you put the boot back. And that's basically it. I'm just gonna put the intake, air intake with the filter back, and the job is done. Okay, so we got the whole intake system, everything back. We put this battery terminal back. And now it's a moment of truth. We'll start it and hear it.